Jump. Yeah. Jump. Jump. Give me 5. Ow, 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 ow.
Steady.
Gotta be careful. Jump. 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 Yeah. Jump. 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 Good job. Hi. 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 It's amazing. I've got a 2-year-old daughter. She's about what? Almost 2?
3 in a couple days.
Oh yeah. It's amazing. It's amazing how they grow up so quick. It's just truly amazing. Hi. I'm about to go to this fishing pier right here. Like, I can't fish here. They have ordinances and things of that nature, but as long as I'm going to that fishing pier, I'm good to go. But your daughter is amazing. I have a daughter myself, and she's 2 and almost 3/4, and she does the same thing. Jump, 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 jump. High five. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Give me 5. Ow, 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 ow. Give me 5. Ow, 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 ow. Bye. See ya. Have a great day. Yeah, it's in. In all day. In all day. Yeah, I saw it. I got it on camera too. How y'all doing? Oh, I'm living that dream, man. Hey. Hey. Thank you for your service, sir. No, right here. Thank you. The reason for you is the reason I get to do this. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. How's it going? How you doing, ma'am? Oh, just okay? Yep. You're in Clearwater. How? I know it's not a great day, but it's beautiful here. Yes, it is. Have a great day. How y'all doing? Oh, I'm living that dream. How are you? Oh, whoa, whoa. My fishing pole is breaking apart. Oh, no. You can't have that, right? My fishing pole is breaking apart. If you don't remember, and I said something. Dude, sir, you're throwing my $300 fishing pole in the dirt right now.
I'll pick it up for you.
Yeah, you're gonna pay for my $300 fishing pole.
Okay.
Yeah. Man, my fishing pole. Hey, how are you doing? All right. Fishing pole's almost halfway back together. Still kind of broken, but still, we're all right. We're good. How y'all doing? Oh yeah. How y'all doing? Good, living that dream. How y'all doing? We're doing good?
Yeah, good.
Look at that beach. Beautiful, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, y'all have a great day.
Yeah, you good?
Oh yeah, have a great one. See ya.
Wishing you were all here.
Welcome to Florida, right?
Yeah, well, they're back working.
Look out here, birds. Get out of here. Hey, hey. Oh, no. Stupid bird. Yeah. You bought my friggin' hook, you dumb bird. Yeah.
Here, you use both hands like that.
All right.
Hold on, we'll be done.
We're just gonna let you go.
Hold on, I'll let you go.
Hey, calm down. Hey. I know you're angry and pissed off.
Well, we're trying to help you here.
Oh, there it is.
It's coming out.
Is it coming? Oh, it's a hook.
I got it. I got it.
All right,
Hey.
I'm gonna get it out, bird. I'm gonna rip this wing.
Yeah.
I can see it from this side.
Cut the string out first.
There. Okay.
There we go. All right, you're free to go. Hey, calm down. Calm down. I'm gonna let you go. All right. There you go. There you go, buddy. See?
That's what happens when you say.
Oh man, that's what happens when the birds want to eat your bait. Yeah, geez, stupid birds. I'm trying to catch a snapper and I'm catching birds. Oh no, I was talking to my camera. But I anytime I see a veteran, I always say thank you for your service.
Yeah.
No matter what you did, it made a difference.
We didn't get treated very well when we come home.
Yeah, and you're still not treated well after what you came home from.
Yeah.
And I think our government should do a better job of.
We got, as soon as we got into the States, we got out of our uniforms.
Yeah, no, I definitely think that every veteran should be treated a lot better than they are today. And because you know something, without you, without others, and without the ones that have died for us, we wouldn't. Other countries would just invade us and do what they wanted to do, right?
That's right.
And
Vietnam, which a long time they called a police war, it was a police action. It was a damn war.
But they came to Pearl Harbor.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
See, and that's what I would say is they came and invaded America, and we had as Americans we have to fight for those that have lost. And that's why I say I thank you, even though you probably know people that you have lost.
Oh yeah.
And I thank you for being alive today.
Yeah, we have several from our graduating class that was killed.
Yeah. I can't say thank you enough. At the bottom of my heart, I can't say thank you enough, sir.
Thank you.
And every time I see a hat like that, I always say thank you. And I can't say thank you enough for the rights that you've given me here in America.
It's getting less and less of us.
I think people have forgotten our rights.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And that's why I say I thank you. A lot of people need to realize that The reason they get to speak the way they speak is because of you. The reason they get to carry guns like me is because of you. The reason we have the rights that we have is because of you, sir. And I can't say thank you enough. I really can't.
I had to use it to wrap up a bird.
Oh man, we saved a bird's life today.
Yeah, it hooked the.
He got all tangled up in my line.
And he was mad, so I covered.
Yeah.
I know that from working at the pet store.
Yeah.
The birds get loose, throw towels.
Yeah, and that's the end of it.
Yeah.
Well, I can't say thank you enough to your. I'm not sure if this is your dad or your grandfather. Yeah, I can't say thank you enough to him. Everything he's done and what he's done is greatly appreciated. Shut up, bird. You guys want some bait? Free.
Sure.
Free bait. You don't get anything for free nowadays, so take it. See ya. Look at that bird. How are you doing today, ma'am? Oh, I'm just living the dream. It was a beautiful day. I was waiting for a sunset, but it doesn't look like the weather's gonna permit it today.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Yeah. Are you from here?
No, I'm not.
Oh, me neither. Welcome to Florida, right?
Yeah, I think the sunset would probably been better like the past 2 days.
Yeah, maybe a couple past 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, today's like,
cloudy.
you can see like just on the horizon, it's just not worth it.
Right.
All right, well, I gotta find, I think I'm on this side of the road, so I think I need to follow this side.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, actually, I'm more on the beach side over here, so.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're probably better off going on the boardwalk then.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Maryland?
Oh man, that's way far away from here.
Yes. And cold, so.
Oh, welcome to Florida.
Right, so nice down here.
Complete two different worlds.
Right, exactly.
Yeah. See ya. XI0659. How y'all doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm living the dream. I mean, like, other than this overcast, it's still beautiful out here, right? You can't. Welcome to Florida. How y'all doing? Living the dream. Yes. Come on, it ain't that bad.
Oh, it's great.
I mean, this white sand could be snow. That's how bad it could be. Just remember that.
Yeah, we're not complaining.
Yeah, well, I'm not complaining either. Later. Oh, we got a soccer player in the house. You play that football? Come on. You play basketball, but Umbro is like soccer. You play soccer? Oh, he's a football player. Oh, we got Ronaldinho right here. How y'all doing? Hey, that's the perfect threesome right there. That's what I'm talking about, dog. Hold on, everybody. Hey, everybody on my YouTube channel, look. Beer, chicks, and, well, we're going to call that the bud. The 3 B's. Beer, bitches, and bud. Later. Have a good one, bro. Later.